Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. This is my second video. Today I want to talk about Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is the important part of the computer packages. When you are learning computer packages, make sure that you understand Microsoft Word, because Microsoft Word it carries all the introductory part of other packages. Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access. You must understand Microsoft Word before you go to the other packages, to the other complex packages like Access, Excel, and so on and so forth. Now, Microsoft Word, as I told you previously, it is a software that is used to decorate a document that you can use maybe to present somewhere. Maybe you want to write a business plan. ICT people know about business plan, certificate level, of course. Now, when you want to represent your business plan, you must decorate your business plan using Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is one of the most superior softwares that are used to decorate, or rather to come up with a presentable document. Now open a Microsoft Word document, or rather blank document, inside your computer or inside your laptop or whenever you're using. Come here under the start button. Click on start button. On start button, you can now scroll to W. Click like this, and get my point. It depends with the version of window you are using. Mine, it is Windows 10. Windows 7, it's different. So if you are using another Windows 7 or another version of Windows, you can just come here. You can just search from this place, this search bar. Sorry, I think it's not there. My laptop sometimes gets tired. Don't worry. So you can just come here under the search engine. You search Microsoft Word, then it will bring you the software. Now, for case, I'll just come here. Then I click on the application. That is Microsoft Word. Then it will open. As I told you, my Microsoft Word is Office 2019. Office 2019. It's the one that I'm using currently. So you can just wait so that my document will be open. Now, my document has landed here, where we have some recent things here. Some recent, we have pinned are the one that you have pinned, so that they can never be zipoteza zikaenda huko chini. No, so you can pin them so that you can access them quickly. So we have the recent things. This one, I remember I used to teach about I talked about my CV. This my CV. I created a file to the previous video. If you watched that video, you can recognize this thing. Now we have blank document, and we have also this other document. These other documents are not important at your level right now because of things maybe I will not talk about them right now. So I want to work with blank document because I want to come up with a new thing. So I'll talk about blank document. So I'll just click on blank document like that, then it will pop out this blank document here. Now don't mind about this one. Let me set up my page kidogo. Okay, it is normal. Okay, I want the page to be A4. Okay, it is A4 already. Now I can see my settings are right, so I'll just continue. Now, as you can see here, maybe you don't know what is going on. I'm going to explain what is going on here. So this one is a window of Microsoft Word. Now, we have some things that you need to know. Number one, we have something called parts of this window. Now, we have the title bar. The title bar there. The title bar, this one is the section where the title of your document is located. The title of your document is located. The title of your document is located under the title bar. As you can see here, it is reading document 1. Why? Because we have now created a new document and we have not saved it. When you save it, the name that I'm going to type, the name will appear here. Just wait and see. I will show you how to save later on. Now, this one is what we call title bar. After that, we have the toolbar. We have the toolbar. We have the toolbar or ribbon. Now, this ribbon, we have tabs. Before I go to toolbar, we have tabs. Tabs, this one are the features that we are going to use to make our document more beautiful. Now, we have insert tab. These four I'm going to explain one by one. We have draw. This one is the latest feature. I will not talk about this one. I will not talk about this one. This one is the latest feature that it is when you are using if you are using Microsoft Word 2010 or rather 2013, you will not be able to access this one because this one is not there. So we have design. If you are using Microsoft Word 2010, design, and we have a page layout, I think, and page layout is layout. Then we have design. Design is not there. We have just page layout, and page layout are where they have merged layout and design as page layout. And then we have references. This one I will show you how it works. After that, we have something called mailings. We have review, we have view, and so on. We have help. This one is used to help you to find whatever you want. As I told you, you can ask your computer a question about itself and then it answers. In short, you can the computer can guide you on how to use it, like that. Now, these tabs I'm going to explain one after the other. Number one, we have file. File here, if you want to come up with a new document, you can come up with a new document through file. Now, under file, we have home. Home here, this place is what we call home. We have new. If you want to come up with a new document, you can go to new. We have open. Open, this one is used to open the document that you have already worked with. You worked with the document, you saved it, now you want to reopen it to do some editing and so on, you can open it. We have info. I'll show you about it. We have how to put a password to your document. I will show about it later on. Then after that, we have something called save and save as. My friend, I want you to get this point. We have save and save as. We have some difference between save and save as. The difference is, if you want to save your document, save. Save means you just want to save, you worked with a document, you saved it, but you opened it again, so you want to save changes. You can just use save or Control+S on your keyboard, or Command S if you are using Mac. Now, we have save as. Save as, this one, it is used to save the document that you have never worked with. For example, you have come up with a new document, you want to save it, you will use save as. You click on save as. So when I click on save as like this, it will pop out a window. Good. When I click on save as, now I want to save my document. Now I will choose where I want to save my document. I will choose maybe to this PC, or I can browse. When I say browse like this, it will take me to the documents where now I can save my document. As you can see, just wait and see. You can see. Just wait and see. You will see what is going to happen. A little bit, my laptop is a little bit slow. Good. As you can see now, it has opened. Now, here we have some things you need to look at. Number one, where you want to save your work. The location where you want to save your work. Where do you want to save your work? I want to save my work to the desktop. I want to save my work to downloads. I want to save my work to music. I want to save my work to pictures. You locate where you want to save your work. For example, I want to save my work to desktop, and I recommend you use desktop because desktop is easy to access. If you save your work under the desktop, you can access it easily. I'll show you how you can access it easily. Now, I want to save my work under the desktop, so I'll click on desktop, and then after that, I will rename it. I will rename it as my doc. Sorry, my doc, like that. And then after that, I will click on save. After clicking on save, now as you can see, the title bar has changed the name to my doc. Now that is fine. Share, we have print share. If you want to share to somebody, if you want to print your work, you can print from here. If you want to export, close, and so on and so forth, you can do the same. So I will not talk about this one because they are not more important right now. I will show you how to print later. Now I'll go back. We have a home tab. Now, what is the purpose of home tab? Home tab, this one, it is used now to decorate the text. Get my point? To decorate the text. Now, how will I decorate this text? For example, I have the word home like this. Now, this home, I can highlight it, and then I say I want to change the color of it to red. I want to change the color of it to black. I want to change the color of it to yellow. I want to change the color of it to green or any color that you want to change the color to. So this one, it is used to formatting. When I say formatting, it's not formatting or formatting the memory. No, formatting in computer language, formatting, it is to make something beautiful according to computerized language. Formatting is to make something beautiful. Now, if you want to format your text, get my point. If you want to format your text, and I say text, you use home tab. Home tab works with text. I'm going to explain about home tab. Then after that, we have insert tab. Insert tab, this one, it is for inserting some objects. You want to insert a table, you want to insert a picture, you want to insert a shape, an icon, a 3D model, anything that you want to insert, hyperlinks, bookmarks, all of those things you want to insert, you can insert them using insert tab. After that, we have draw. I'll not talk about draw. I will go straight away to design. Under design, this one, it is used to design your text format. For example, you want your text theme. For example, you want to change the theme of your text to this. You want to change the theme of your text. You can change. As you can see, the word home is changing. We have basic, simple. We have this. We have that one. So this one, it helps you to change the theme of the text. After that, we have the colors. You can change the colors. You can change them like that one, as you can see. Then after that, the font also, you can change the font. I'll talk about the font also under home tab in the next video. This one is just the introductory part of Microsoft Word. Then after that, you can change the font. As you can see, the word home is changing. Yeah, like that. Then after that, we have paragraph spacing. You can change the spacing of your paragraph. The spacing of the paragraph, maybe you want to change to 1 pixel, 2 pixels, like that. I'll talk about it later. Then you have watermark. I'll talk about watermark page color and page borders later on. Then after that we have layout. Layout, now this one, it is now the tab that is used to format the page. Get my point? Text, inserting a text theme, and we have page. This one now, it is used to format the page, setting up your page. I'll talk about this in detail in the next videos. Now after that we have reference. Reference, this one, it is used to work with the table of content. When I say table of content, some people are wondering what is table of content, because when I was a teacher at a certain college, I used to ask my student what is table of content. They were like, what's this? I have never heard about table of content. Table of content, this one is the content, is the preview, or rather is the summary. When you open the book, we have the summary, a content, then topic 1 is page 1, topic 2 is page 2, topic 3 is page 12, like that. That is what we call table of content. Now when you want to come up with the table of content, format it and insert some endnote, footnote, bibliography, all those things, I will talk about them in the next videos. So table of content, I'll show you how to insert them. Then we have mailings. Mailings, this one is used to duplicate a letter. If I'm too fast, you can use the feature, YouTube feature, so that I can go slow, or rather when I'm too fast, you can just tell me in the content, in the comment section, so that I can go slow to the coming next videos. Now mailings, this one, it is used to duplicate a letter. Now a good example, back to high school or primary, you used to pick a letter from a head teacher's office or from the secretary office. You see the letter is the same, but the names are different. You can see the letter of your friend, it has the name. Your name is sorry, the letter of your friend iko na jina ya rafiki yako, and your letter also contains your name, but the content of it is the same content. You may wonder how they did this. It is the work of mailings. I'll show you how to work with mailings. After that we have review. Now get my point. A review, it is used to spell check your document. For example, you have written your document, umemaliza kuandika document yako, now you want to check where there is an error. You will use something called spell and grammar checker. It is under review. If you want to translate, for example, somebody has sent you, amekutumia a document using Chinese language, you can translate it using this translate. And then you have language. This one is used to switch from one language to another. If you want to speak English, if you want to work with maybe Thai, if you want to work with Germany, if you want to work with French, like that, you can switch the language. As when I click on this one, you can see more languages like this. You can see more languages. Sorry, not this one. I can say I want the set proofing languages. You can see the languages here, Afrikaner, this one, all of these, you can see them, French, English, all of them, they are here. So you can set the language. After that, you can insert the comment to your document. I'll show you about this later. After that, we have view. This one, it is used to proofread your document. Now when I take my document, I put it on the website. How will it look like? When I take my document, I put my document to the website. How will my document look like? So this one is just used to proofread your document. Now those are just the summary of the tabs. When I come with the next video, I'll talk about home tab in details, I'll talk about insert tab in details, I'll talk about design in details, I'll talk about layout in details, feature of one feature after the other. As per now, I'm just sorry sorry about that, but for now I'm just introducing you so that you know what we are going to do. Now after that, we have something called ribbon. Now ribbon, this is where the ribbon, this is where now the features of the tabs are located. As you can see, the feature of Home tab are located here under the ribbon, here under the ribbon. The feature of Insert tab are located here under the ribbon. So a ribbon, this one, it is used to do what? A ribbon, it is used to hold the tools, and even you can call it a toolbar, the tools of the tabs. I don't know if you're getting what I mean. Now, the ribbon, it is used to hold the tools of the tabs. We have the tab and we have the tools of the tabs. We have draw, iko na tools zake. We have design, iko na tools zake. So this one are the tools, and the tools are located where? Under the ribbon. The tools are located at the ribbon. After that, we have something called ruler, and the ruler is not there. Ukiangalia hivi uone ruler. How can I activate the ruler? I will come under review. Come under view, then you can activate the ruler from here. Click on it, then the ruler will appear, as you can see. We have also grid lines. You can activate them, but leave away, don't mind about that one. So the ruler you can activate from here or deactivate from here. So this one is what we call the ruler, like that. So this one is what we call what? The ruler. The ruler, what is the purpose of a ruler? A ruler, it is used to check if your document is at the same alignment, and also it is used to move your cursor. As you can see, naweza nikaimove niweke huku kwa margin, naweza nikaitoa huku hivi pia niweke huku, like that. So this one I can just move it using this ruler, and the ruler also, it is used to check if the document that you have come up with, it is under the same what? It is under the same alignment. So I'll just, yes, I want to set. So this is what we call a ruler, like that. Then after that, we have now the working space. This one is the page. The working space here now is where you are going to type. Here now is where you are going now to type your document. Here is where you are now going to type your document. I can say now, I want to type Kenya, like this. I can type my name, I can type my name, and so on and so forth. So this area is where you are going to work with most. After that, we have status bar. Here, down here, we have status bar. As you can see, this one is what we call a status bar. What is the purpose of status bar? The purpose of status bar, it is used to summarize the words and the pages that you have used to write your document. As you can see here, inaniambia no words. The words are 0. As you can see here, sorry about this one. I'll just move it like this. After that, you can see here the pages. Inaniambia page ni 1. Nikikuja niseme nataka kuinsert another page, nikuje hapa niseme nataka kuinsert another page like this, itaniambia pages are 2. When I write some words, itaniambia one word, the second word, the third word. So as you can see here, the words are just being counted as you type. When you type, it counts the words. Hilo ilikuwa inatumika pale inatumika watu exam, wakikwambia now without exceeding 12 or rather 400 words, write this and this. Ulikuwa unafikiria wangu wanaendanga hapo hivyo wanaanza kuhesabu. No, they don't count manually. They just put in the computer, then the computer it tells them the exact words you have used. And also we have this feature ahead under these tabs. I will show you about it. It is called a word count. Word count. I think word count. It is located under one of these tabs, word count. Yeah, good, ndio hii word count. This one it is used to count also the words, the lines, and hii inachukua words hata paka lines zote that you have used to write your document. So that was the introductory part of Microsoft Word. When we meet in the next video, I'll talk about Home tab in detail. The next video, I'll talk about Home tab in detail, where I will show you how to work with Home tab and how to customize your Home tab and how you can decorate your document, or rather your text, using the Home tab. So that is all for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing. Please subscribe to this channel, and also comment, share to the person who need it. Kama kuna msee hapo hivyo na struggle anataka kujua comp, you can just share to him or her so that he can look at it, and we move together. We transform our world digitally. Goodbye.